So it's hot. I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of olive oil. Not too much, because it is 75% lean, ground beef. And I'm going to add the ground beef. And the secret is, don't be chopping it. Just let it brown on one side, turn it over, let it brown a little bit. And then when we add all our seasoning and our Trinity, then we chop it up. So we're going to let that brown a little bit. I didn't think I had any crushed garlic, but I do. It's in the back. Just got it. We've been using this. Because everybody got sick. We're using this mixed with lemon. Take a teaspoon every day. You're not sick. Nope, almost brown there. See what I mean? I want that charred look. A little bit longer. I'm going to turn it up a little. Yeah, it needed to be turned up a little. There it goes. You hear that? It's almost ready to flip, but before I flip it, I'm going to season this side with a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of chili pepper, and a little bit of paprika. I like Hungarian paprika because it actually has a more nice flavor to it, but can't find it half the time. And then I'm going to flip them. I need both hands to flip it. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to also season this side. Don't worry. I'm going to flip it again because I'm using a non-stick pan, so I can't just keep it there for a long time or it'll burn. Trying to stay away from that Teflon. There we go. Let that cook for about, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, and then I'm going to flip it again. And it should actually be so crusted by then. So about 5 minutes, flip it, then another 5 minutes, and that's when I'm going to start actually chopping it, making it look like sloppy Joe. But we're going to add the bell peppers, yellow onions, and the fresh garlic. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, just flipped it again and see. That's what I'm looking for. And it really gives it a great flavor. It's been about 5 minutes over on the other side, so I'm going to toss it around. And we're going to add these. I'm going to toss that around. Probably another 5 minutes. And then I'll add the tomato paste and the tomato sauce. And the secret is to also add like a small teaspoon, very small teaspoon of either brown sugar or cane sugar. I'm using cane sugar. And mustard. A lot of people don't know this. Yes, mustard. Yum. Okay, I'm going to pause while I stir this around. About 5 more minutes. I also did add a teaspoon of the fresh garlic. Sometimes you can also pre-saute the bell peppers, garlic, and onions. But I like it a little crunchy, like a little bit more on the raw side. I don't know, I just love that flavor. See all that juice it's letting out because it's only 75%. I'm actually going to drain some of this juice before I put my tomato paste and tomato sauce in there because I want it thick. not watery. Crunchy. Looks good. Get this center out of it. Oh. Tomato sauce. Tomato paste. I might have to, yeah, I might have to put my hands down. Hold on. And then the mustard. Probably about a tablespoon. Did I open it? Yeah, it's open. It just don't want to come out because sometimes when I open it, I put it back in the refrigerator. There it goes. Ew, sorry. I know sometimes people just want to use ketchup, but ketchup isn't anything but tomato sauce and tomato paste, but then it has corn syrup in it and other preservatives, so yeah, I stay away from ketchup. I make my own ketchup. Okay, well, I'm going to stir that around, put a lid on it. Bon appetit.